morning, everyone.
Class 1 is ready for Spaces Immediately on Earth Day.
Here we go. Reduce, reuse, recycle. That's all. We want to say, what is the home? For you and me. Every day is Earth Day. Let us repeat, every day is Earth Day. Yes! Every day is Earth Day. Working together works. Let us all work together
And make our Earth
a better,
a happier,
and a peaceful place to live in.
We the children also promise
To stay home and fight the naughty virus by reducing movement out of the house, reusing old clean clothes to make masks, recycling,
positive thinking.
we can, we will. Happy Earth Day. This present assembly
In this proof that we are
divided by a naughty virus, united with willingness. Thank you.
Thank you, dear children and parents of 1A. Indeed, feeling proud to present all my 36 children on one platform with a beautiful message. Together we can. Once again, thank you from Ma'am Kadirwin.